I'm sure you're wondering, a part 3? You built a shop wall, something thousands of other people have already done ad nauseum. What more can you offer? My answer, probably not a lot more. If you haven't already seen the other 2 videos, give them a shot. I'll link both in the description and at the end of this video. This project started because I was sick of the pegboard find a tool solution that I used to have. I wanted a place for my tools without pulling pegs off the wall during removal, as well as something that would be a little more appealing to the eye. The problem that comes with that is that now, when I want to put tools in the wall, it has to be almost permanent because you lose the one thing that pegboards are really great at doing, allowing one to change placement of the tools on the fly. That meant I really had to plan my tools out or risk having holes and ugly marks on my wall. My answer? Photoshop. As you can see, I took pictures of all my tools and sized them up by a yardstick I evened up on my wall and slowly put every tool to size, making sure not to change the aspect of each image. Now I'm using Photoshop, but you could very easily use a free editor like GIMP to do the same thing. After I took all the pictures, I opened up Photoshop and imported them all. Now, I'm not the computer savvy dude I appear to be. And I'm sure there are better ways to do this, but this is what I came up with. I used the quick selection tool and cut out all my shapes before entering them into the wall picture I took. Next, I very simply moved them into position. Placing the tools wherever I wanted and fine-tuning their locations in places that would be most useful to me was actually the easy part. Actually making them hang on the wall as well as being functional with my hidden storage, that turned out to be pretty difficult. Now, the great thing about this entire customized shop wall is that not only do you get to choose how well everything fits together, but the only limit you have is your imagination when it comes to keeping those tools on the wall. Here I'm giving just a few brief ways I connected my tools onto the wall. Thank you for taking this journey with me, and again, if you haven't seen the other videos, do yourself a favor and watch those. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't be afraid to share it with someone else. I want to give the Wood Yogi a special thanks for all the music he's created that has been used throughout these 3 videos. I use his music not only because I really find it outstanding, but it felt refreshing using music that has come from another woodworker. Please check his channel out and give him a sub as well.